Wondering what stocks major gurus buy and sell in Q2 2020? Stay tuned for part 2. Support the channel. Links in the description. What stocks David Einhorn and Greenlight Capital buy and sell in Q2 2020? Part 2. Today we go over the 14 stocks he sold. Get free stocks with Bull when deposit $100. And get free stocks with Robinhood by signing up. Chemers. Reduced 30.46%, which is 1,500,000 shares. Portfolio change 2.5%. CNX Resources Corporation reduced 59%, which is 4,400,000 shares. Portfolio change 4%. Excella Technologies. Reduced 86%, which is 6,500,000 shares. Portfolio change, less than 1%. Altice USA. Sell 100%, which is more than 1,600,000 shares. Portfolio change 5%. Adient. Sell 100%, which is more than 1,800,000 shares. Portfolio change about 2.5%. Centene Corporation. Sell 100%, which is about 200,000 shares. Portfolio change 1.75%. Altria Group. Sell 100%, which is more than 300,000 shares. Portfolio change 1.7%. Paychex. Sell 100%, which is 185,000 shares. Portfolio change less than 2%. American Express. Sell 100%, which is 127,000 shares. Portfolio change less than 2%. Goldman Sachs Group. Sell 100%, which is 70,000 shares. Portfolio change less than 2%. Danaher Corporation. Sell 100%, which is 77,000 shares. Portfolio change less than 2%. Berkshire Hathaway. Sell 100%, which is 58,000 shares. Portfolio change less than 2%. Walt Disney. Sell 100%, which is 108,000 shares. Portfolio change less than 2%. TKLNG Partners. Sell 100%, which is 580,000 shares. Portfolio change less than 1%. Check our store. Links in the description. As always, be sure to let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Be sure to smash that like button. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next video.